I recently had the opportunity to try the ILLIYOON Ceramide Ato Concentrate Cream, and it has become a staple in my skincare routine. Available for pre-order in a convenient 100 ml size, this cream boasts deep hydrating and soothing effects for both the face and body, thanks to its patented ceramide skin complex. One of the standout features of this cream is its quick absorbency and refreshing feel upon application. The highly concentrated ceramide capsules ensure instant absorption, leaving my skin feeling revitalized without any greasiness. I appreciate that the formula is free from animal-derived ingredients, mineral oils, artificial colorings, fragrances, and parabens. This aligns with my preference for clean and ethical skincare choices. Additionally, the product has undergone vegan verification, along with hypoallergenic and sensitivity panel tests, making it suitable for various skin types, including sensitive skin. The inclusion of phytoceramide and the patented ceramide skin complex sets this cream apart by actively working to strengthen the skin barrier. This, coupled with hydroxypropyl bispalmitamide MEA, a biomimetic ceramide molecule, ensures optimal moisture retention and barrier maintenance. The antioxidant-rich formula, featuring Panax ginseng root extract and Perilla okimoid seed extract, adds a protective element to my skincare routine. I particularly appreciate that the cream is free of alcohol, fragrance, and essential oils, making it gentle on the skin. In conclusion, the ILLIYOON Ceramide Ato Concentrate Cream has proven to be a hydrating and soothing powerhouse. Its thoughtful formulation, quick absorption, and ethical considerations make it a standout product in the realm of skincare. Whether you have sensitive skin or are looking for a clean and effective moisturizer, this cream is definitely worth trying.